And we kept our character in character, regardless if it was 20 years later,
Mm.
a month later,
Mhm.
50 years later. Doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
yeah.
They are still their
What was it?
their natural personality is still there.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
it always will be because that's what's natural.
Yeah.
Right?
It's easy, actually. I mean, I don't mean flippantly, but the, the, the everything in it, the background and all the ingredients made it easier. Yeah, with the characters, what they're saying.
Well, yeah, because we already had characters laid out
Set up. Yeah.
in the first one. I
Mm.
had them laid out and they were set and the time periods and all
Yeah.
of that stuff.
A time
Um,
period
which
and
which played into what characters were like because of the time period.
time travel. And we even talked
Hmm.
about the grandfather thing and the butterfly. I said, let's stuff the butterflies, let's kill them all. You said, no, no, we can't do that. So that was a great marriage of deciding and why we ended up with what we ended up with. That's what I love about us
Well,
working together.
yes, because
That's
we
an
did.
example.
Yes, because we did 2, 3, and 4 together,
Of course, yeah.
and then we went back and changed a few things in the first
Yeah,
one.
exactly. Yeah.
because of how we saw these characters evolving. And it's
Mm.
like, okay, well, if they're
Yeah.
going to evolve this way, they
Mm.
can't start at this point here.
Yeah.
You know, they have to be a little bit different personality back then. They can't be knowing all this stuff yet, right?
Right. Yeah, yeah, I love it. I
And it
love
worked
the
out.
beginning of number one that you wrote.
Mm,
Where
yeah,
she,
yeah.
yeah,
That's
she had the book and the bus and going to the Star
mm,
Train. I don't know how much I'm allowed to say, but because you can't say too much, can you? But
yeah. Well, this is true.
yeah, I know. I didn't know you wanted to, but I guess we're just reminiscing, I suppose, in a way, one way. But yeah, but no one could actually copy that. They
No,
could try, but
they could
they
try, but
get we'd sue
no.
them because it's all copyrighted. All our stuff is copyrighted. Whatever we talk about, whatever we do, whatever we show, it's all copyrighted,
Hmm.
and you will be sued.
Well,
And that said,
plus the fact plus the fact that the choice of the real people who were alive at that time that I chose,
mm,
nobody else would pick those people.
yeah, yeah,
They would make a completely different story.
yeah, that's right.
I mean,
Of course, yeah,
we all know from Hal's classes.
yeah.
Remember,
Screenwriting
he gave
you,
yep
fantastic.
from
Yep,
screenwriting you. He gave us all these points about what this story
he's the best teacher.
this idea has to be what and you have to write basically a pitch on what this is going to be.
Mm, yeah,
What would your story be if you had these points?
yes, yeah.
And everybody came up with vastly different ideas.
I love
Vast.
that.
I mean, so far distant that they would be unconnected completely,
Mm, mm, mm,
right?
yeah.
So I mean, it was a blast. What can I say?